In this video, I'm gonna show you step by step how you can delete your Steam account just in few minutes. This will be an easy and super easy quick tutorial. So let's get started. So what you need to do, you just need to open your Steam account like this, okay? And you will go to your home page, click over here on your name, okay? And click on account details, okay? Like this. And it's gonna take you to this page over here. Scroll down and you should see over here delete my Steam account. Click on delete my Steam account and it's gonna take you to this page, and as you can see you should know that your account will be deleted in 13 days. Okay, the process of deletion your account will take up to 13 days. Okay, so what you need to do next, scroll down and click over here on proceed to account deletion. Okay, it's gonna take you to this page. Scroll down, and what you need to do next, you need to put your email address that you used to open this account, your first email address. Okay, put your first email address here. Scroll down, put your phone number and scroll down, and as you can see, is there anything else you would like us to know? You can put why, for example, why you want to delete this account. If you want, you can put here the reason, and you will scroll down and you will click on send. Okay, and your account will be deleted after 13 days. Okay, and that's it. It's super easy and simple. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.